Hello everyone, welcome back to Unday Radar Talks. Supermicro computer stock rose 3.4% on Friday. In the past 5 trading days, the stock has risen by more than 18%, and the current price has deviated upward from the 5-day moving average. It may be a bit dangerous to enter the stock at this time. Data shows that the capital inflow of the stock has dropped significantly in the past 2 trading days, but the trading volume of the stock on Friday is not much lower than that on Wednesday, which means that the proportion of capital outflow from the market on Friday has increased significantly, which may not be a good thing. The stock was able to rise nearly 8% on Wednesday, indicating that a large amount of long capital flowed into the market in the area below $409, which is the driving force of the stock price rebound. However, as the stock price rose further, the stock had a large number of transactions at the levels of $445 and $458, which reflects that some of the funds in the bottom profitable capital may have flowed out of the market at a high level, and such a result may cause the stock price to temporarily lose the momentum to rise. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart of the stock. We can see that the stock price fell sharply in the morning trading on September 6th with a large trading volume, but in the afternoon trading, the bulls stabilized the situation and tried to push the stock price to rebound, indicating that a large amount of long capital entered the market at this position and took over the chips sold by the shorts, and then the bulls started the counterattack mode. We can see that the stock price had a significant upward movement during the trading session on September 11th, indicating that the long capital hopes to push the stock price to a higher level after digesting the rapid selling of the shorts. However, the stock price began to fall after it surged to $469 on September 13th, and there was an obvious continuous selling movement during the trading session, indicating that a large amount of capital withdrew from the market at this position, so it is not surprising that the stock price fell next, but the bulls may not let it go too far. Let's take a look at the capital flow data of the stock. We can see that the capital flowing into the market in the past 5 trading days is much higher than the capital flowing out, so it is not easy for the shorts to significantly lower the stock price. The net capital inflow of the stock on September 11th was as high as $167 million, indicating that the proportion of funds flowing into the market on that day was very high. If the stock price fell, it should also find support within the price fluctuation range of that day. The capital flow data of the stock in the last 2 trading days was $17 million. Only one was a net outflow and the other was a net inflow, but compared with the data on September 11th, both were much lower, which reflects that the funds entering the market in the last 2 days have dropped significantly, and the market's long-term behavior has become cautious, which may indicate that the stock price is about to enter a correction or consolidation period. Let's take a look at the market position distribution data of the stock. As mentioned earlier, the stock has a large number of positions at the levels of $445 and $458, which reflects that some of the profitable capital may have withdrawn from the market in the last 2 days, which may cause the stock price to lose its upward momentum for a short time. However, we also see that the stock's position distribution below $432 is also large, so even if the stock price falls, it will be able to find support before falling below the lowest position on September 12th. The current price has lost 5.5% from this position. Although I predict that the stock price may pull back, I am still bullish on the stock because the data shows that the capital inflow into the stock after September 4th is significantly higher than the capital outflow, which means that after the stock has completed a V-shaped bottom, a large amount of long capital has intervened, and it is not easy for the shorts to drag the stock price down again. And these long capitals have not exited the market in large quantities, so the stock price may still rise further, and I think it may even return to $500. Okay guys, this is my price prediction for Supermicro computer stock. Thank you for watching. If you like my analysis, please click the subscription button and give a thumbs up. I will bring you more latest price predictions for hot stocks later. See you in the next video.